It's like brown though.
It's glistening in the sunlight.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What's this guy?
Oh, that's the
He's
fox.
new. I don't know where he came from. He's a
He looks rather dodgy.
he's an extraterrestrial.
The dodgy fox.
176 to Henge.
I don't know if it sees me. Might be too fast, like we did at the royal wedding.
Yeah.
It's definitely. Woo!
Going on a roundabout.
Oh, roundabout. I don't know how long this thing goes for.
Oh shit.
You almost died, woman.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Woo!
Waterloo Station.
Took a wild adventure.
Why would you bend down in front of a bus?